666 channel. Today we'll be doing a part 2 on the guest666, the Roblox horror story. And if you don't know, I've been away for a couple of days, as you can see on my last video. So let us start this video in 3, 2, and 1. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm feeling great.
Getting scared now, kid? Good. You should be.
What?
No one likes you.
I like him.
Weirdos like you don't belong here.
Whoa. Bro, why'd you push him off a building? This is a very sad start to the video. What is up with this? Oblivious HD presents. They're back at it. Guest666 Part 2. Well, because why not name it Guest666? Language error. So, what do
you know about guest666? I'll tell you in a moment, but first, I need to know what you know about him.
What do you know?
I was told he was a genetically mutated guest. Other kids thought he was a bit odd and had no friends. He became lonely and committed suicide, but his ghost still haunts unsuspecting victims to this day. I didn't believe it until he killed Veronica right in front of my eyes. I still don't know if it's
cold-blooded,
real, or if I'm just imagining it.
It's real. I know it was guest666 because I saw him kill too.
Oh, now I remember. You're the guy who found those 3 boys murdered at the school last year.
Those boys were evil. Really evil.
Evil?
They bullied me all throughout high school. I reckon they'd be up to something like always, so I decided to follow them that night.
Follow them.
All of a sudden, I heard them screaming, so I ran up to the window and looked inside. I saw him.
Oh, this guy's screwed.
Guest666. One moment he was there, the next, he was gone.
Wow. Interesting story.
I told the police, but they didn't believe me.
They didn't believe you?
Most
Ha,
think
they
I
failed.
killed those boys. I'm an outcast, Emily. I wear the hood to stay hidden. They never had any evidence to convict me, though.
Hey, darlings. Cafe's closing up now. Afraid I'm gonna have to ask you to leave. Thanks, hon.
Come back to my place.
Big
I'm
Mama
sure we can
gets
find out a bit more
scolded
about him.
all of them all. Hey, look, nice house. Oh man, you're gonna
I
break.
gotta quickly go to the bathroom. I'll be back in a sec.
Yeah, sure. Second door on the right.
For a strange reason, Emily has a weird voice. Sounds like a man. Hey, washing your hands. Oh, she's screwed.
What the hell?
Uh-oh. Someone's
Hey.
screwed.
Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, okay. If you're sure.
If you're sure.
Look at this. I found a really old news report on the death of guest666. It might be able to help us uncover more information about him.
Uh-oh.
Play the video.
Yeah, exactly, sir.
Police are treating the death of guest666 at Roblox High School as suicide. It appears that he jumped from the top of a school building at 3 p.m. yesterday afternoon. I have with me another student at the school that perhaps knew guest666 best. Thank you for joining me, Timmy. Can you tell us a bit more about guest666? Sure. I didn't know him all that well, really.
Wow.
He was a quiet guy and a bit distant, but honestly, I think it's a bit strange for him to take his own life. Personally, I think not even he'd be cut out to do something like that. Thank you. 2 boys were seen running away from the scene, but were later released without charge after police questioning. Jeff Golding, reporting for Roblox News.
Oh no, someone's gonna die. Jump scare now. Haha. Oh gosh.
Quickly, get out of here!
Someone's gonna die.
Who on earth are you?
Old
We
man.
overheard your conversation at the cafe today.
Uh-oh.
What?
We know the real story behind guest666 and Part 2. Look over there, at the high school.
Uh-oh. Who screams that out, by the way?
Quickly, follow me, Emily.
Follow you.
Hey, look up there.
What's happening? Oh no. Guess what happened now?
We've got to go, quickly.
Someone else is screwed.
Leave her alone!
Uh-oh.
Well, if it isn't the weirdo, and look, she brought her boyfriend with her.
Uh-oh.
Looks like we're gonna have some fun with you instead.
Uh-oh.
You killed Veronica, Emily. At least I can now enjoy avenging her.
Emily didn't kill her.
Stay out of this, boy. This is between us and Emily.
I won't let you hurt her.
Yeah,
Find it. You asked for it.
yes. Right now's a nice time. It's guess. Oh, it's just this guy again. Hey, your daily bacon. Oh, ow. Oh no. Subjected to FBI again. Well,
Stop! You don't need to do this. Do you?
the FBI is not gonna.
Remember who we are?
Remember who you are. Look, he's so small. It's so nice.
Wanna be friends?
No, you're weird. Get out of here.
Wow.
Get out of here.
What?
Go,
You just tell him get out of here.
weirdo. See you, loser.
That's the nicest thing you said to a kid.
Wanna be friends?
No, get out of here, loser. We don't want to be your friend.
That's a very nice distinguished career, yes. Wonder how you actually sound like that at that young age.
Make sure nobody picks guest666 to be on the team. Yeah, I know. Well, the creep spoiling the game. No one likes him. Yeah, I know, right?
Uh-oh. And now he's alone, and now he grew up. And now he's like over his face. And he gets thrown off the building.
You're just like you need to belong.
Ooh.
We never meant to kill you. It was an accident. We lost our grip and you fell. I'll never forgive myself for what I did, and I'll feel guilty for the rest of my life. We realized what was happening when we heard those two kids talking in the cafe earlier today. We followed them home and then waited around a while. We've decided to give ourselves up and tell the police everything. But please, put those girls down.
We're sorry for everything we've done. We
Oh,
won't
no.
bully you or anybody else ever again.
Oh, what an explanation.
It's okay. I forgive you guys.
And the police are here to arrest these two old guys. And these two girls. What happened to the beacon? Uh-oh. Oh, this is gonna go well. Hey, he's good! He's happy. Oh, it's fun. So sad. This music is epic. Is that it? Oh. How long is this video anyway? Huh?
Welcome back, hero. Hey, Justin, look. He's awake.
Of course he's awake.
Welcome back, mate. It was fortunate you fell into a bush.
A bush.
We figured out why guest 666 was killing students. We thought at first the attacks were random, but me and Justin found out he was targeting the bullies.
I had been bullied by 3 boys. Emily had been bullied by 3 girls. And guest666 had been bullied by other guests because of his appearance. It was wrong of him to kill those students, but it was clear to see his revenge was driven from the horrible past experience he had.
Exactly.
He's like, what is
And
happening?
thanks for saving my life, 3.0. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here.
No problem. That's what friends are for.
Aww. Yay. Now they're all happy. As usual. Right? Oh, it's such a nice area. The end. Nice. It's the end. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, comment down below.
Hey, friend!
Oh.
Wanna come play with us?
Alright, comment down below, like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more of these reaction videos, comment down below, because why not? Hey, special thanks to Charles, Beverly, Justin, usually posted a guest, The Healthy Crow, Emily, and Big Mama, Forever HD, scripter and actor, Video Wipe Oblivious HD. So guys, if you oh look, become a midget. So guys, enjoy this. Ooh, top 10 fan arts. 10th place by Vincent Tugalo, by Beast Gamer, Roblox, by No Mistake. What? That's nice. Alright guys, I think these are nice pictures, but all in all, they're all really nice. So guys, thank you all for watching. I'll be seeing you next time.